What's up guys, Mike again, here telling you about another exact fit controller we have. It's the 1960 to 63 Chevy Truck exact fit controller. Same construction as all of our Restomod controls that we have, full CNC billet control, chrome finish, bolt-in construction, just like everything, so no modifications to your dash. Again, like all of our other controls, we have our fan speed, we have our mode, everything from dash to defrost to floor, and then of course our temp control, everything from cold to hot. We'll work with any of our systems, from vapor all the way up to the haymaker system. It even comes with our custom fit kits for those guys that want some of those model specific parts. This is a great addition to that. So pick one of these up. If you have any questions, just give us a holler.
Said I don't rob it like all of these guys. I told them all like a million times. Waiting for me, but they know.